Welcome to
another RV fishing adventure review.
Thanks.
Hi folks, I want to do a little review here on the Max Out Fire Extinguisher. This is a dry chemical fire extinguisher. It's basically an A, B, and C. The reason I picked A, B, and C, a lot of people will only do a B and a C, which is liquid fires and electrical fires. And some people say to only do that because when you're in an RV, because otherwise you can really gunk up your RV. This stuff is highly corrosive. And the problem with that is that most of the RV is made with wood, and that's what the A is for trash, wood, and paper. Better to put it out and have a mess to clean up than to not be able to put it out. Wow. I just stuck on there. So just trying to do a little unboxing because I'd like to we just bought this on Amazon, and I'll put the link up for that. Hoping it does what it was reviewed to be. So it looks like it's a pretty good little model here. Alright, so standard kind of a deal. I do like the tall aspect because this is what they call the, I forget. It's a 2.5, but the 2.5s are often long and skinny like this. So you can get a 5-pound. The problem with the 5-pound, this is pretty hefty as it is, and the way you hold it and everything. I'm just concerned that, this is fine this way, but to have to manhandle it this way seems it would be a little heavy. Not this one, but a 5-pound would be a little heavy for a lady to have to try to pick up and swing around and try to get in the right position or whatever. So yeah, this looks like it's all charged up, good to go. So you pull the pin, and then you can push this, and it'll squirt the dry material. And I believe they always say you should shoot at the base of the fire, but it just depends, I think, on what kind of fire it is. So it's always good to read your instructions and make sure you got what you think you understand how you're supposed to use it. In fact, I think it says right here on the front of this thing. Oh, that's kind of nice. Yeah, so it says, hold upright, start back 8 feet, aim at base of fire, sweep lever, squeeze lever, sweep side to side. So yeah, that's kind of what I thought. Which, it kind of balances that way as it is. So you're going to be doing this. It's going to put you at an angle right off the bat, and naturally, so that it balances, and that'll put you about 8 feet away if you want to be at the base of the fire. 8 feet's a little tricky in an RV, so I think the main thing with this is to have something that's at least there to get you where you can put something out. And yeah, let's try putting this on correctly. There we go. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good little device here. I think it's going to work. If I can figure out how to get these clasps on. It's actually easier than I think it is. But yeah, it's looked a little funny. Definitely inspect them once a year. I believe that's what you're supposed to do, yearly. And I'm going to get this thing mounted. Nasty. Feels like it's all solidified. pretty well. Oh, hello.
Hi.
I'm getting some feedback from that lamp, I think. So yeah, used the screws from the last mount and had to put a new hole in, but it still was off the floor. So it worked pretty well. So now my wifey will have a safe fire extinguisher instead of this.
A working one?
Yeah, a working one. Presumably the other one was working, but I doubt it.
Since it was missing pieces.
It felt like it was caked in the bottom because it was bottom heavy.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
not good. All right. So there you go. That's about it. I think that concludes it. I think I'm pleased with the way it looks, and I'm going to read up a little bit more about that tag. But I think it's supposed to break off when you jerk the pin. So yeah, I think that'll work. I'm gonna throw this other one away. See how you're supposed to throw it away. I have no idea. So with that, thanks folks.